Okay, na? Okay, students. Good afternoon. Good afternoon to everybody. Now we are going to start problem number 17, students. So yesterday we are completed problem number 16. So today we are going to problem number 17, students. This problems is a completely three column cash book problems is it. Completely is a cash book chapter, and we are discussing about three column cash book problems completely. It's a no 10 marks oriented question, students. It is a very important. Why? Because compulsory this question comes from final examination and 10 marks oriented problems on three column cash book problems. So today we are discussing about problem number 17. So what is that problem, students? Here that question given there. Prepare three column cash book 2019 February 1st, cash balance 1200, bank balance 8000 rupees. Isn't it? Now third date, issued check to Rama 3950, discount 50 rupees. There is not given. It is a discount allowed or discount received, not given there. Okay now. Discount given only 50 rupees only. Now sixth date cash sales 4500. Sixth date is what given? Cash sales 4500. Cash deposited into bank 2500. There is what given? Cash and bank both is there. Cash deposited into bank. How we can deposit that? So we can deposit three column cash format. We can deposit both side data. Here is a cash and bank both is there. This three column account have we can prepare to cash account and bank account both is now. That's why here is we can deposit 10th one is a contra entry. What is that? Contra entry is there. Now another one 18th date. Received cash from Mohan 2800 rupees. Check 5800. Okay now. Cash is at 2800. Check is at 5800. Discount 400 given. Which discount that is? There is not mentioned the discount receiver, discount allowed. Just we can think now. But because there is not mentioned only given the just discount only. Okay. Now check deposit into bank. The check already sent to the bank. For example, that check is not sent to the bank. They had that transaction. We can write minimum or maximum 3 times is there. Isn't it? Why? Because we can record the amount first of all cash or cash column. Then after we can take the contra entry, that is a bank and cash column. Both sides we can record now. So that means what is going here? This is completely we can record the check amount is 3 times now. So here is no problem. Why? Because clearly the check is sent with the bank. Check is same day deposit into the bank. There is not comes contra entry here. Okay now. Now another one purchases 3400. There is only given the purchases. Which purchases that? There is a cash purchases or credit purchases or check purchases. There is not given. Just we can think. Okay now. So why? Because it is a check purchases. There is clearly mentioned the check flow. It is what is it? What is the? There is the person name giving. That is a credit transaction. There is given the person name. It is a compulsory credit transaction. There is not given the person name and also not given the check is element. Check is also not given here. That's what is what we are thinking only cash transaction. We are thinking only it is cash transaction. Okay, now students. Now Mohan check dishonored. Mohan giving check is dishonored. Where is that? Yeah, received cash Mohan 2800. Check 5000. So Mohan check how much given here? 5800 rupees check is given now. The check is dishonored. Dishonored means failed. Okay now they had no amount. The check is failed now. That time also give the some of the return the check. Okay now that's why Mohan check is dishonored. Failed the check. We can pay. We can give the one more check. That person we can give the one more check and then after some time. So that's why here Mohan check dishonored. That amount is returned back. That amount is returned back for that one. Next one is 24th rent paid by check 1000 rupees. What given? Rent paid by check 1000 rupees given. ఇక్కడ rent is in two types is a received rent and paid rent. Is it a student? Rent is in two types of received rent and paid rent is there. But here given what? Rent paid by check. Check means which transaction? Bank transaction. Isn't it? Check is a bank transaction. That's why we can record a bank column. That is it. It is a payment. Rent paid clearly mentioned now. That's why. Next, draw bank from bank for office use. What we can draw here? Draw bank for office use. Draw చేసి ఆఫీస్ కోసం యూజ్ చేసాం కదా బ్యాంక్ నుంచి. What we can draw? Bank haven we can draw only cashier. Just we can think here. Draw from bank. What we can draw? Just think it. So the amount is what we can draw? Cash amount we can draw in the bank now. That's why here is cash draw from bank for office use. Okay now, it is not personal use, it is an office use. There is given the personal use, we don't write contra entry, but here we can write contra entry. Why? Because draw from, what we can draw here? Cash draw from. Isn't it? Cash drawn from bank for office use. There is a cash and bank both is there. Isn't it? There is a cash and bank both is there. This time what we can do, students? Here is a we can take cash and bank also. This time we can take a contra entry. Isn't it? This time we can take what? Contra entry. These business transactions given here. Now what we can do now? We will take the 3-column table and record the all transactions. First of all, let us take the 3-column cash book format, friends, here. Okay. Okay, friends. Yeah. First column is a date. You can take the first column, date, and second column is particulars, and third column LF, and next one is cash, and another one bank, and discount allowed. What is that, students? Discount allowed. This is a discount allowed, students. Okay, now we are going at the same time date, particulars, okay, date, particulars, and LF, okay, cash, bank and discount here, bank and discount. Okay, this is a 3-column format. Write down here 3-column cash book. What is that? 3-column cash book it is. Now we have take left side is a debit and right side is a credit. Okay, let us write down here date, particulars, LF, cash, bank, discount allowed, DA means. The same time date, particulars, LF, cash, bank, discount received, isn't it? These are the three column cash book formats, friends. Now we are going to record the all cash receipts and we can record in a debit side. All cash payments we can record in a credit side. Okay now. So that's why you can record the first of all cash. You can receive the cash. This is debit side. Cash you can pay the credit side. Bank you can receive debit side. Bank you can pay credit side. It is a three column cash book. So what given here? 2019 February 1st, cash balance 12,000, bank balance 8,000 given. Okay now. So cash balance 12,000 rupees and bank balance 8,000 rupees given. These are is what both are is an opening balances. Which opening balances are? Cash opening balance and bank opening balances is there. Isn't it? That's why we can take 2019 February 1st. 2019 February 1st given here. So February 1st what we can do? Opening balance. How we can write that? To balance brought down. What is that? Balance brought down. So cash amount is how much? Cash amount is 12,000 rupees and bank amount is 8,000 rupees, friends. Cash amount is 12,000, bank amount is 8,000 rupees. This both is cash and bank both is opening balances. It's clear now. Now another one, third date. Issued check to Rama 3,950, discount 50 rupees. What we are doing here? Issue the check. Okay now. This time what is goes out the business? Check is goes out. Who is the giver here? Bank is giving the check. So this time who is payment? Who is paid the cash? Bank is paid the cash. So overall this time check is goes out. So bank is giving the amount. This time when we can regard the research and credit side we can record. Why? Because it is a payment. Check issuing is what? Payment. That's why we can record it to credit side. 2019. Isn't it? 2019 February. What is the date? That third date. February 3rd. Issuing check. Who is the receiver here? Rama is a receiver. The check who is a receiver? Rama is a receiver. That's why we can write by Rama account. What is that? By Rama account. What is the amount of check amount? What is the amount of check? 3,950. We can record into bank column 3,950. Okay, friends. 3,950 rupees. So we can record into bank column. So what is the discount? It is a discount received. It is. Why? Because issuing check to Rama. That is a what transaction? Payment transaction. This time what is comes in the that's time what is comes the discount? Discount received comes. That's why we can record into discount received have 50 rupees. Isn't it? Discount received have 50 rupees. 3,950 is a bank amount. 50 rupees is a discount received amount, friends. Now next one is sixth date. Cash sales 4,500. There is clearly mentioned cash sales. Cash we can pay. We can receiving cash and giving the goods now. Okay, friends. We can receiving the cash and giving the goods here. So that's why this time what is comes in the business? Sixth date having cash is comes in the business. Who is the receiver? Business is a receiver. Isn't it? How it is comes? We can sold goods. Now cash is comes in. Okay. How we can record that? It is to cash to sales account. We can record that. We can record to sixth date to sales account. What is that? To sales account, friends. It is a what? Completely cash. Then we can record it to cash column 4,500 rupees. Bank is a nil. They have no bank amount. Sales haven't. Okay now. Now another one. Another one is what? Another one is friends. Let us see. Cash deposited into bank. What given there? Cash deposited into bank given. Okay now. So here is a cash and bank. Here is a what? Cash and bank both is there. So this time what we can do, students? We can do the contra entry. Why? Because single transaction we can record here debit and credit. We can record the debit and credit. This time what we are doing? Contra entry. How we can write contra entry? What is debit and what is credit? First of all we can understand now. First time we are take the, we can write here general entry. Cash deposited into bank. What we can deposit here? Cash deposited. Who is the receiver? Bank is a receiver. Isn't it? Bank is a receiver. Then cash is goes for the business. All receivers is goes to debit. All givers is goes to credit. So who is the receiver here? Bank is a receiver. That's why bank is debited. Bank account debit to cash account. Isn't it, friend? Bank account debit to cash account. So bank is debit and cash is credit here. So bank is showing debit, cash is showing credit now. That's why we can record 10th date. So bank have we can write the amount here 2,500. Debit side, bank have we can write the 2,500 rupees in a debit side bank column. At the same date, 10th date, credit side, cash is credit now. Cash column have you can write 2,500. Cash column have you can write 2,500. Okay now, bank is debit and cash is credit. Cash is giving, bank is receiving. It's clear. Now how we can write bank account have, we don't write bank. Isn't it? Bank account have, we don't write bank. What we can write now? To cash account. What is that? To cash account. Now here cash account have, we don't write cash. What we can write here? By bank account. By bank account. Both is what? Contra entry. That's why LF column have we can write C. C means what, students here? Contra entry. Contra entry means only same day transaction we can record into debit and credit side. It is. You can record the debit and the credit side, students. Now next 18th date. Received cash from Mohan 2,800. Check 5,800. Discount 400 rupees. But Mohan check dishonored. He can deposit same day. But we can write amount bank column is perfectly. But the amount is same day deposit. The check is not passed. Failed. The check is comes return. Okay now. That's why first of all we can write clearly. Received cash from Mohan and check 5,800. Discount 400 rupees. So what we can receive here? Cash we can receive and check also we can receive here. Cash is comes in the business, the check is receive the bank here. All is we can receiving. Check is receiving and cash is receiving. That's why we can record it which side? Debit side. How we can record it? 18th date 2. Who is the giver there? Mohan is a giver. That's why to Mohan account. To Mohan account, the amount is what? Cash amount is in 2,800 and check amount is 5,800 and discount, which discount is discount allowed, isn't it? The amount is what? 400 rupees. We can record the remaining transaction that day. So discount also comes to that side. Okay now, so cash have we can record 2,800, bank have we can record 5,800, discount have we can write 400 rupees, students here. Okay now it is completed. 20th, purchases 3,400. What we can purchase? Some of the goods we can purchase. How we can purchase it? There is not given how we can purchase. It is in cash or bank or check or any purpose there is not given. So that's why you can understand there is not given, only giving the purchase means cash purchases only, isn't it? That's why we can purchase this goods is cash buy. Okay now, so this time what is goes for the business friends? Cash is goes for the business. So then we can record it which side? Credit side. Why? Because cash is goes out now. Then we can record it which side? Credit side. Write down date 20 by purchase account, purchases account, by purchases account. What is the amount? 3,400. It is a cash amount. We can record into cash column that 3,400 rupees is there. That is a completely cash purchases. Then we can record a cash column in credit side. Okay. Next one. Mohan check dishonored comes return. Okay now, this time we can side record credit side comes return back now. So that's why there is a payment. Check return ఇచ్చినట్టే ఆటోమేటిక్ ఏమవుతుందా, మన యొక్క చెక్ మన రిటర్న్ ఇచ్చారంటే బ్యాక్ వచ్చేస్తుంది కదా, చెక్ పేమెంట్ జరిగింది కదా, కాబట్టి మీకు రికార్డెడ్ విచ్ సైడ్? ఇట్ ఇస్ రికార్డెడ్ క్రెడిట్ సైడ్. ఓకేనా? whose check that మోహన్ చెక్ డిజానర్డ్. ఎప్పుడైతే మోహన్ చెక్ ఫెయిల్ అయిందో ఆ ఫెయిల్ అయిన చెక్ మనకి ఇస్తున్నారు అన్నప్పుడు మనకి ఎక్కడ రాయాలి? ఇక్కడ బ్యాంక్ is giving. So giving time means we can record which side? Credit side now. So the check is giving time, we can record the we can record which side friends? Credit side. That's why we can record into credit side. How we can record that? 23rd date Mohan account. Write on 23rd date by Mohan account. Is clear now? Why Mohan account? There is not giving amount. Which amount we can take? Here is giving check amount Mohan. That amount only we can take. What is the check amount here? 5,800 na. That amount only we can record in a bank column dishonored amount. Okay na? Mohan account. That amount is 5,800 rupees. It's clear. Don't confuse. So Mohan check dishonored. Where is the Mohan check amount? Here is the check. What is the amount? 5,800. Not repeat again. Not giving amount here. Only one time given. We can understood that. Okay now. So Mohan dishonored amount is 5,900. So Mohan dishonored check we can record credit side. That amount is can record bank column 5,800 rupees. Okay friends. Now we are going to next one. Rent paid by check. What we can pay here? Rent paid. Here is a rent is a two types. Rent paid and rent receive. Rent receive we can record into debit side. Rent paid we can record into credit side. Why? Because paid time cash is goes out, check is goes out. That's why we can record into which side students? That is credit side. Okay now what we can record debit side? We can receive the cash or check. That's why we can record debit side here. Okay now. So now let us write on 24th date by what is that? Rent account. We can pay rent now. That's why rent account. What is the amount of rent? 1,000 rupees. That is a check payment. That's why we can record into bank column. We can record into which column? Bank column. That is it. It's clear now. Now finally 28th date. Draw cash from bank for office use. What we can draw here? Cash we can draw. There is not given. Just we can think that what we can draw? Cash we can draw now. So that amount we can draw from bank. Which purpose? Office purpose. It is not personal use purpose friends. It is not rather personal use. We can draw from office purpose. Okay now. That's why what we can take here? Contra entry. Why? Because your cash and bank is both is there. Okay now. That's why we can take contra entry. For example, there is not given the office, there is given the personal use, we can record only credit side. But here is clearly mentioned the office use. That's why we can take a contra interest rates. Okay now. So what is the general entry? Let us see that cash draw from bank. Bank lo nunchi cash ni draw chesam. Who is a giver? Bank is a giver. Isn't it? All givers is goes to creditor. That's why bank is creditor. What is debit? Cash is debit. Why? Because cash is comes in the business. Okay now. That's why I write the general entry here. So cash account debit to bank account. Cash account debit to bank account. So cash showing debit and bank showing credit. That's why we can record into 28 date. 28 date to cash account have we can write 1600 debit side and the same date 28 by bank account have we can write credit side 1600. Okay now bank is credit, cash is debit. It's clear now. Now how we can record that? We can record the cash account. What we can write here? To bank account. Opposite. To bank account. Now here is we can record the amount bank column. But what we can write here? By cash account. By cash account. It is a what? Contra entry. Both is contra entries is just friends. Why? Because only one transaction we can record debit and credit. That means opposite side we can record the single transaction. Okay, so opposite side we can record the single transaction. That's why we can take LF column have and we can write C. C means contra entry friends. Okay now, so this is all transactions we can record debit and credit side. Receipt season we can record debit side. Payments we can record credit side friends. Okay now what we can make? We can make the balance carried on. How we can make the balance carried on? Let us see. Yes friends. Same day, February last date is 28 by balance carried on. What we can take a balance carried on. So we can make the balance carried on. First of all, we are doing the cash bank and discount totals here. Okay now, what is the discount total? 400 rupees. Okay. Now cash total is what? First column 0, second column also 0, and third column 5 plus 8 how much? 13. 3 and 8 plus 2 10 plus 5 15 plus 1 16. What is the amount that 16,300 rupees is there. 16,300. Now let us do cash amount. First column is at 0. Second column is also 0. Third column 6, 8, 14 plus 5, 19. 9, 12, 4, 16 plus 2, 18 plus 1, 19 plus 1, 20. 2, 0. 1 plus 2, 3. That is amount is what? 30,900 rupees is there. Yes friends. 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. 9 plus 1, 10 na? 1. Here comes to 2. 20,900 rupees is a cash amount and 16,300 rupees is a bank amount. Okay now? Let us take 16,300. Okay? 6. So first of all you can take cash. So debit minus credit equals to carried on. What is the amount? 20,900 rupees minus. What is the credit of bank? 2,500, 3,400. How much? 5,900. 5,900. 2 plus 3, 5. 4 plus 5, 9. That is equal to 0, 0, 9 minus 9, 0, 20 minus 5, 15. What is the amount of cash balance carried on? 15,000 rupees. Now what we want? Bank. Let us write down bank. What is the debit amount of bank? 16,300 minus, here we can do the total is in rough, 0, 5, only 5, 9, 8, 17, 17 plus 6, 23. Okay, 3, 5, 8, 9, 10, 10 plus 2, 12. 3, 8, 9, 10, 12. 12,350. Write down 12,350. That is equal to, take 10 by arrow. First one is 0, 0, 10 minus 5, 5. 3 minus 2 minus 2, 0. Okay now, and sorry students, this is wrong. Here is a take the arrow. 12 minus 3, 9. Here is what? 5. 5 minus 2, 3. 1 minus 1, 0. So 3,000. Wait for a moment. Bank is in 3,950. Here write down balance carried on 3,950. Now we can take the total amount of cash, bank and discount. Cash is in 20,900. Bank is in 16,300. And discount received is in 50 rupees. Okay now. Now let us take February after March 1st to balance breakdown. Cash have 15,000 and bank have 3,950. Okay now, these amounts is next month opening balances is there. So let us see students, cash is starting 12,000, now 15,000. Cash amount is increased. So bank amount is what? 88,000 rupees is there. Presently 3,950. That means 4,050 rupees is a less amount. So why? Because we can use the heavy bank transactions. No, not cash transactions, not cash payments. Heavy we can pay the cash payments, friends. That's why that amount is deducting from the bank. Okay now. So this problem is in 17th problem student. It is completed. Now tomorrow onwards we will discussing about problem number 18. Okay now students. So this is one of the important problem. You can write in a code fair notes and practice this